As a nation, we grew poorer than we were in 2020. Nevertheless, I bring you good news. Because of the decision you made on September 16th, this economic tragedy is steadily becoming a thing of the past. In just 3 months since I assumed office, signs of recovery are already visible. Inflation is declining, meaning your savings are safer and secure today than they were a few months ago. Fuel shortages are easing, power outages are shortening, and we're moving closer to eliminating blackouts. We are actively laying the groundwork in other sectors as well. In essence, we are firmly on track with our economic recovery plan. These critical indicators are inspiring confidence among potential investors. I'm mindful, however, that hunger remains a pressing issue. That is why we have intensified distribution of relief food and ensure that ADMAC markets are stocked with maize. I urge all those involved in food distribution to work diligently so that all families facing food insecurity are fully supported. My policy remains unchanged. No Malawian should die of hunger. Looking ahead, we intensify agricultural production to exceed domestic demand so that we can export the surplus. We uphold fiscal discipline and prioritize investments in key productive sectors, including mining, energy, roads, and railway infrastructure, to lower the cost of doing business, drive industrialization, and generate employment. Ultimately, our economy must uplift the living standards of all Malawians. I will maintain strong stance against corruption so that these efforts should bear fruits. I call upon each one of you to play your part. If you are a farmer, strive to produce more. If you used to plant once a year, aim to plant twice. If you are a business person, expand the goods and services you provide and employ more people. I'm creating a conducive environment for everyone to be productive. Together, we can make 2026 a year of renewal and progress for our families and our nation. Happy New Year to you all. May God bless Malawi.